Google's first stab at a foldable phone with the Pixel Fold wasn't quite a home run, but it at least gave consumers another option beside Samsung's foldables. With the Pixel Fold successor, however, there's a lot more pressure because the new Pixel 9 Pro Fold competes against breakout devices like the OnePlus Open as well as the recently released Galaxy Z Fold 6. Using this opportunity to improve upon the shortcomings of last year's Pixel Fold, Google has given its newest notebook-style foldable phone an extreme makeover as well as a name change to better align with the other Pixel 9 phones in its lineup. You get the largest display yet in a foldable at 8 inches, a brighter screen and numerous camera upgrades. Google's also banking on new AI features to hopefully propel the Pixel 9 Pro Fold over its foldable rivals. In my Pixel 9 Pro Fold review, I will tell you if all the new changes are enough to give this device that prestigious title of Best Foldable Phone. Now that the novelty of foldables has dissipated, it's going to take the Pixel 9 Pro Fold a whole lot more than just flexing to convince people it's worth the money. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold pre-orders are available right now and it will go on sale starting on September 4 in just two plain colors, obsidian and porcelain. I wish that Google offered at least a third color option just to give people something else to consider even if there are several brightly colored Pixel 9 Pro Fold cases available for this device. I also think it's a tough position with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold's base starting price of $1799 with 256GB of storage. While that's easier to swallow than the outrageous $1899 cost of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in the US, it's nowhere close to the OnePlus Open's lower cost of $1699, which is made better with sales and trade-in offers that get the price down to as low as $1399. It's also worth noting that the OnePlus Open comes with a whopping 512GB of storage with the base model, making it tougher to justify the Pixel 9 Pro Fold's value. For a foldable phone, Google doesn't skimp out on the cameras with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. On paper, the specs seem all too familiar: a 48MP main camera, 10.5MP ultra-wide, 10.8MP telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a 10MP selfie shooter. However, there are some minor differences related to their aperture and field of views that benefits the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. In addition to a robust camera system, I really enjoy the Pixel Camera app because of the shooting modes it offers. New this year is the introduction of the Mode You Look feature, which displays these animated cartoons on the cover screen to attract the attention of kids and keep them looking at the camera long enough to get a decent shot. I tried it on my young nieces and nephew with great effect. Other camera features new this year include a revamped panorama mode and the Add Me feature that uses augmented reality and AI that allows the photographer taking the photo to be part of the photo later on. I have tested this as well, and the guidance it tells me with the help of AR ensures the photos framed perfectly. Here are some camera samples of Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Seriously, this is exactly what the original Google Fold should have been from the start, because the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is much more polished in every way. Its new redesign makes it look and feel like a more modern foldable, but I was expecting so much more to justify at $1,799 cost. All of the new AI features certainly elevate its worth, but it would have been much more satisfying to see it getting more exclusive features just to give it a bit of distinction over the slate Pixel 9 Pro models. I am also disappointed that the camera upgrades are minimal at best and how the overall software experience doesn't change all the much functionality. Google addresses many of the shortcomings of the original, but the bar has been set higher by other foldables like the OnePlus Open and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Needless to say, it's much better than its predecessor, but it still comes up short of matching the value that its contemporaries offer.